Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix integrity cannot be verified error on your any iPhone device. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there is very easy fix to it. First up, you need to make sure that you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi is working. If you're not on Wi-Fi, just make sure that your mobile data is working and it's accessible. After that, you need to make sure that you aren't connected to any VPNs. Let's go ahead and open up settings, and right over here you just need to go to general, or if you can find your VPN settings right over here, you can just simply search it up. But if you go to general, you'll see VPN and device management, and right over here you gotta make sure that you aren't connected to any VPN. If you are, just disconnect it. And after that, right being in the general, you need to go to date and time and make sure your date and time is set to automatic, because sometimes it's functional and it gets error due to date and time. And then lastly, what you can do is just simply software update your device. So if you are on any software update, just simply update your phone and then check it out. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. Also,